Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to access and use the documentation view within your projects. It's a powerful way to keep all your project information organized in one place. First, let's choose a project from your workspace and open it up. Once you're in, head over to the Project Overview section, where you can see all the key details at a glance. You'll notice an Add icon here. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, select the option to create a new document in the Resources section. Perfect! You just opened up a dedicated documentation space for this project. It uses the same familiar Markdown editor you're already using for issue descriptions, so it'll feel right at home. Here's where you can really flesh things out. Write your project specs, add detailed information, and even link to other issues or projects directly within the text. It's a great way to keep everything connected and easy to reference. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create and manage documentation right within your projects. Feel free to run through this again anytime.